Hey, what's up guys? Well, today I'm really happy because I was able to get two guns off of layaway that I've had on layaway for the past few months. So let's do a little unboxing and show you what I was able to get. I was able to get both of these guns at a really good price, so I'll be sure to list on the screen what that was when I show off each one. So let's start with the first one. This might come from no surprise to you, but it's another SIG, and this is the standard SIG 226. So yeah, I picked this one up for a good price, and it came with 4 magazines. If you look closely at this thing, it's almost in perfect condition. There is not hardly one blemish on this sucker. As you can see, this one came with the E2 grip, and I'm not a fan. It don't fit my hand good. So I'll be taking this thing off very soon and putting some other grips on here. I can almost say for sure that this is the last 226 that I'm gonna get. So this makes 3 that I have. My West German, my Legion, and then this one. So I think I'm good on the 226 fronts. So let's look at that trigger. As usual, it's a little bit of a long double action. Look at the single action. Here's the reset. And then break. So I believe I may put the SRT kit inside this gun just so I can get that really short reset. I never trick out any of my guns, but if there was one I might do a few things too, it's gonna be this one. So yeah, this is in 9mm, of course. All of them are in 9mm, and the standard rail version of the 226. Okay, so this is the first one I got off of layaway. Let me show you the second one. The second one I was able to get off of layaway is another SIG P220, and this one is 45 ACP. Now, I already have this pistol, and it's the exact same model as the one that I already have. But the reason I wanted this one so much is because of the price they had it listed as. I'll put on the screen right now what I got this as, and I have never seen a 220 for that price. It was just like super cheap. I just couldn't pass it up. I wasn't really looking for another 220, but it's always good to have a backup, right? And this will be my 220 backup. I still have in mind to get a 10mm 220, but for now I'm really happy with these 245 ACPs. This one's in better condition than the other one was. And it came with these standard plastic grips. They don't feel too bad, but I'm gonna probably I got my other 220 in them sexy wooden grips. On this one though, I'm gonna put on the Hogue finger molded grips. That grip feels really good, especially on the 220 when it's single stacked. So I'll put the Hogue rubber grips on this one. Let's take a look at that trigger though. So in double action, a little long and heavy, and then here's that reset. A little shorter than the 226 is, and it's good enough for me. I more than likely won't do anything to this pistol because it's very acceptable. So this one just came with the 1 magazine. It was at such a good price that I'm still really happy with it. Well, okay, I just wanted to make a short video showing off the 2 new pistols to my collection. Remember to join me on Patreon if you want to support me and my channel, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you real soon.